Are you ready for the oral test?
Yes, ma'am.
What happened to Neil when he was 6 years old?
When he was 6 years old, Neil's father took him on first aeroplane ride.
What did Neil do in the Air Force?
Neil was a test pilot in the Air Force.
Okay. What did Neil do to earn money when he was 11 years old?
Neil worked hard so that he could earn money and he did the flying lessons.
Okay. Why was July 1969 an important month, Akshaya?
July 1969 was an important month because Neil was chosen to lead the crew of Apollo 11 in the same month of the Apollo 11 spaceship. Apollo 11 landed on the moon. He became first man to walk on the moon.
Okay, very good. What animal is found only in the Gir forest?
The Asiatic lion is only found in the Gir forest.
Suchishma, please stand up. Tell me, what is the meaning of woods?
The land which is full of trees.
Okay. Sashant, slammed.
Shut with force and loud sound.
Okay. Dhanu Vaishnavi, please tell me, what is the meaning of Appa?
Canada word for father.
Aji?
Canada word for grandmother.
Okay. Moksha, tell me, what is the meaning of prides?
A group of lions.
Okay. Dikshit, herd.
Large number of deers.
Okay. Parnita, leaping.
Moving with the high jump motion.
Okay. What is the meaning of trail? Tell me, Lasya, what is the meaning of bumpy?
A ride of uncomfortable.
Understand? What did the shopkeepers of Aziz sell near the road?
Shopkeeper Aziz sold lemons and clothes near the road.
Okay. Sumedha, tell me, who was Ali? What did he think of cars?
Ali was the camel driver. He thought cars were the wonderful things.
Okay. Akshaya, how did Ali and Sultan help the car?
Ali tied ropes and Sultan pulled car towards Zilla.
Okay. Panika, what problem did the car face in the desert?
Car ran out of the petrol in desert. It could never run further.
Okay. Pranavi, how did the car behave towards the Sultan and Ali?
The car behaved rudely towards Sultan and Ali. Boasted himself.
Dikshit, could you tell me what kind of the button did Sparrow find?
Sparrow found with the 2 holes button.
Okay. Shalini, what did Toad and Frog find in the mud?
Toad and Frog found pink button in the mud.
Okay. Bharat, tell me, what did Toad do with his jacket?
Toad gave to Frog because he wanted to thank his friend for helping look his lost button.
Okay, very good. Jason, could you stand up? Tell me, what did Toad and Frog find in the mud?
Toad and Frog find in the mud tin button.
Okay, what is the spelling of thin?
Thin.
Thin, very good. Chetan Lasya, please stand up and tell me, don't worry, said Frog. Why did he say this to Toad?
Frog did not want Toad to get upset about his lost button.
Okay. Tell me, Chetan Lasya, describe how the crate changes its skin.
The crate slithers out of its old skin and it grows new skin 2 to 3 times each year.
Jason, tell me, what helps the crate hide in the forest?
Crate helps it hide in the forest. Its skin changes different types of patterns in grass. It changes its skin in the forest.
Okay. So, Chishma, tell me, what was the announcement Geeta made at home?
Geeta announced that her class is going on a picnic. She also told I will bring sambar for the lunch at the picnic.
Okay. How had the sambar become salty, Shalini?
So, sambar became salty because Ajja, Appa, Mala and Geeta added 5 spoons of salt to it.
Okay. Shalini, could you tell me what is the meaning of Ajja?
Ajja, Kanda word for father.
Okay. Bharat, tell me, did Geeta's classmate like the sambar? Why?
No, Geeta's classmates did not like the sambar because there were too much salt in it.
Okay. What is the meaning of sambar?
South Indian dish made by pulses and vegetables mostly eaten with rice.
Okay. Did you bring sambar today?
No.
No. Okay. Thank you. What was Geeta's problem, Lasya?
Geeta's problem was she forgot food. The problem was that but she forgetful. She people are asking to her.
Anu Vaishnavi, can you tell the same answer?
Gita's problem was that she was forgetful. She could never remember the things people asked her to do.
Okay. Madhi, what did Amma tell Geeta to do before she went to the temple?
Amma told Geeta to add 5 teaspoons of salt on it.
Okay. Sashant, now tell me, what was the announcement Geeta made at home?
Geeta announced that the class was going on a picnic. She also told that she will bring sambar for the lunch at the picnic.
Okay.